Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button because you're not going to regret it. If you want to learn Igbo language, if you're ready to learn Igbo language, this is the channel for you because I post videos every blessed day. Let's begin. In today's video, we're going to be talking about phrases in Igbo language. Yes, some words that are often used. Yes, if you don't know your phrases, you can't make sentences. So every language goes on with phrases. And I have my notes already here, which I had already made earlier on. So I'm going to be using it often. Number one is here is onwere nridi. Onwere nridi. Onwere nridi. Like example is, you came back home, you're hungry, you want to eat, right? So you're asking if there is food in the house so that you can eat. Onwere nridi. Onwere nridi. Onwere nridi. Onwere nridi. That is basically it. Another one here is anua na esi ishi ojo. Anua na esi ishi ojo. Like you got a meat, right, and maybe you didn't put it in the freezer earlier on to refrigerate. You know, if you leave meat outside the fridge for a very long time, it will begin to have odor. So what you're going to say in this context is anua nwere ishi ojo. This meat has a bad smell. Basically, that's what it means. And next one here is kunyetun ofe kamracha. Kunyetun ofe kamracha. Kunyetun ofe kamracha. Kunyetun ofe kamracha. The context here is maybe your mom is making soup or sister is making soup and you just want to taste the soup, right? So you're like kunyetun ofe kamracha. Kunyetun ofe kamracha. Kunyetun ofe kamracha. And we have here agwa di ụtọ ka m chọrọ. Agwa di ụtọ ka m chọrọ. Agwa di ụtọ ka m chọrọ. You know, we have different types of beans. Yes, we have different types of beans, and some are sweet, some are not sweet. And you want to buy beans and you're in the market, food market, right? But like they should give you the beans. The one you want is the beans that is sweet. Agwa di ụtọ ka m chọrọ. Agwa di ụtọ ka m chọrọ. You can also use it in other contents, like you want to buy orange, you want to buy pineapple, you want to buy you know, fruits. Basically, you can also use it in that context. Well, in this context, we're speaking of beans. Agwa di ụtọ ka m chọrọ. Another one here is tinye nnu na nri ahụ. Tinye nnu na nri ahụ. Tinye nnu na nri ahụ basically means you're making food, or someone is making food and you want the person to put salt in the food. So you say tinye nnu na nri ahụ. Put salt in that food. Tinye nnu na nri ahụ. Put salt in that food. And another one is ụtara jụrụ oyi. Ụtara jụrụ oyi. Ụtara jụrụ oyi. Ụtara jụrụ oyi basically means that the cassava that you're trying to eat, the cassava flour that you're trying to eat is cold. Ụtara jụrụ oyi. Maybe you need it to be microwaved. Do you understand? And we have here ofe atoka. Ofe atoka. Some people say ofe asoka. They all mean the same thing basically. Ofe atoka. You made a soup, or someone made a soup and it's so sweet, right? Usually in English you say, this soup tastes so good, this soup is so sweet, this soup is making sense. But in Igbo language, we just have ofe atoka, or you say ofe asoka. It means that meal is very sweet. That soup is very sweet. You can also use in other contexts, like you made rice, you made other kind of food. You can also say it's otoka or osoka, any which of the way, but we're talking about soup. So say ofe asoka or atoka, anyone. And we have here nnu nyara ofe. Nnu ṅara ụfa. Nnu ṅara ụfa. Nnu ṅara ụfa. It basically means that this food is overpowered with salt. This food, whichever food it may be, is overpowered with salt. Ofa. Nnu ṅara ụfa. Nnu ṅara ụfa. Nnu ṅara ụfa means that the salt, the food is overpowered by the salt. That's what it means. And again, ye anụ na azụ. Ye anụ na azụ. Ye anụ na azụ. Ye anụ na azụ basically means you fry the meat and the fish. Ye anụ na azụ. Fry the meat and the fish. And we also have mkpụrụ osisi ndị a achabeghị. Mkpụrụ osisi ndị a achabeghị. Mkpụrụ osisi ndị a achabeghị. These fruits are not ripe. Mkpụrụ osisi is fruit in English. So in this context, they didn't tell us the particular fruit, but they said these fruits that they are not ripe yet. Mkpụrụ osisi ndị a achabeghị. That's what it means. And we have mkpụrụ osisi ndị a achala. Mkpụrụ osisi ndị a achala. That is when the fruits are ripe, ready to eat. You say mkpụrụ osisi ndị a achala. We also have nri a yefere eyefe. Nri a yefere eyefe. Nri a yefere eyefe. Nri a yefere eyefe. Basically means in this context, like example, you're cooking beans, you overcooked it before putting ingredients and everything, or rice. Do you understand? Or basically almost every food you're supposed to cook for 20 minutes and you cooked it for 30 minutes. You overcooked it. This food is being overcooked. This food is overcooked. Zụta ogbe achịcha anọ. Zụta ogbe achịcha anọ. Zụta ogbe achịcha anọ. Zụta ogbe achịcha anọ. Zụta ogbe achịcha anọ basically means you should buy 4 whole bread. 4 whole ogbe achịcha anọ. So guys, that's it guys. These are the few phrases. You use it every day as well. Phrases cannot be overemphasized in Igbo language because these are the things that will help you to make straight sentence in Igbo. I hope I was able to reach you guys' needs by speaking very slow on this video. If there is anything you're not comfortable with, please put it on the comment section and I will help you to rectify it. Also tell me what you like about this video in the comment section as well. Thank you and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.